today in this video, we are actually talking about how to make something that I think every artist needs. So, what could that be? Well, artists need art supplies, you need inspiration, creativity, but you also need somewhere to put all of your amazing masterpieces when you're done. That something is called a portfolio. This is a portfolio that I just made, but I think every artist needs a portfolio because if you are studying art in school, or even if you're not studying art, if you just love to draw, it's important to keep all of your best work together and organized. My portfolio in high school actually got me a scholarship at the University of Louisville to study art for the first year of college. So portfolios can be very, very powerful. Now, you could go to Michael's or an art store and you could buy a large portfolio, but I think as an artist, it's even better just to make your own. And it's also really cheap, it's cheaper, and it's easier too. So, to make a portfolio, the first thing that you're gonna need is poster board or some type of thick cardboard. I actually used 2 pieces of poster board, so I taped them together after I drew the design for the front, or you can just use 1 piece of poster board and fold it in half and tape it together. It kind of depends on how large scale of artwork you make. I love doing large artwork, and believe it or not, I actually recorded drawing this whole design and adding the color, and my phone froze, and don't you just love technology? So for the front cover, you wanna help, Emerson? I have a little assistant here. This is Emerson. She wants to help. She actually helped me design the front, didn't you, Emerson? Did you help me design the front? She's teething. So I took the letters that spelled out art really big, and inside the letters I drew different designs and different icons from my favorite artists. After I drew it all with pencil, I added color using Copic markers and Prismacolor pencils. So since I've already drawn the design, look, Emerson, on the front, I'm also gonna do a design on the back. Now, I totally messed up and I taped the shiny side, so I may have to untape it and use the rough side. It just works way better with different media. And you can use any media or any materials you want to design your portfolio, except for oil pastels. I wouldn't recommend using oil pastels because they can rub off. So let's grab our pencils, let's get our poster board, and on the back, we are gonna pick our quote, a quote from our favorite artist. So since we already did different designs on the front, we're gonna do a quote on the back using some different cool fonts and some imagery that go. Are you excited? She's so excited. You ready to get started? Yeah! So I'm gonna use a Frida Kahlo quote, and I'm gonna grab my pencil and we're gonna start sketching it out.
Boom.